Okay, here's an example. Now this is the cranking rod that I built. This only has a 7.5 inch back. It's a 6 foot, it's a 7 inch back. 6'3", so it's not super long, but the shorter back. This is a Dobyns 7-footer. Now, granted, there's 9 inches of difference, right? Look at the difference in the size of those handles. Now, you're thinking, well, 6'3" versus 7 foot. I agree. Let me show you the difference in rod length. Seven-footer, 6'3". There is exactly just over one hand distance, that much difference in length. That's it.